Hi again. Welcome to another of the PEP and GSAT Mathematics Summary Series compiled by Techno Teacher GA. This is question 57 out of 150 questions. This question asks 8 minus 5 over 6 is equal to 8 minus 5 over 6 is equal to, and the choices are A, 3 over 8, B, 3 over 6, C, 3 over 5, D, 7 and 1 over 6. Again, the question and choices are 8 and 5 over 6 is equal to 8 and 5 over 6 is equal to. The choices are A, 3 over 8, B, 3 over 6, C, 3 over 5, D, 7 and 1 over 6. Do you know how to subtract a fraction from a whole number? Do you know how to subtract a fraction from a whole number? I will give you about a minute to come up with your answer. After about a minute, my answer will come up, and then you'll have about another minute to review my answer before I come in again and explain my answer. Did you come up with the correct answer? Did you come up with the correct answer? Okay, I will first read what is on the screen. 8 minus 5 over 6. Turn the whole number into a fraction. That is, 8 is equal to 7 and 6 over 6. Using the denominator of the fraction you are subtracting from it. That is 5 over 6. 7 and 6 over 6 minus 5 over 6 is equal to 7 and 1 over 6. So the answer is D, 7 and 1 over 6. Okay, let me explain the answer. 8 minus 5 over 6. 8 minus 5 over 6. You should turn the whole number into a fraction using the denominator of the fraction you are subtracting from it. So you are subtracting 5 over 6. You are subtracting 5 over 6. So you should use the denominator 6. You should use the denominator 6. So therefore 8 becomes a 7 and 6 over 6. Do you agree? Do you agree that 8 and 7 and 6 over 6 is the same thing? Do you agree that 8 and 7 and 6 over 6 is the same thing? 6 over 6 is a whole number. 6 over 6 is equal to 1. 6 over 6 is equal to 1. So 8 becomes 7 and 6 over 6. 8 becomes 7 and 6 over 6. So therefore now you are subtracting 7 and 6 over 6 minus 5 over 6. 7 and 6 over 6 minus 5 over 6. 7 and 6 over 6 minus 5 over 6. There is nothing to be subtracted from the 7, so that remains as 7. And then 6 over 6 minus 5 over 6 leaves 1 over 6. 6 over 6 minus 5 over 6 leaves 1 over 6. 6 over 6 minus 5 over 6 leaves 1 over 6. So that leaves it as 7 and 1 over 6. 7 and 1 over 6. So 7 and 6 over 6 minus 5 over 6 is equal to 7 and 1 over 6. 7 and 6 over 6 minus 5 over 6 is equal to 7 and 1 over 6. 7 and 6 over 6 minus 5 over 6 is equal to 7 and 1 over 6. You are reminded that you can always contact me if you need further help. You can use my landline number to contact me, or my Facebook page, or my email address. So you can use my landline number, or my Facebook page, or my email address to contact me. Again, you can use my landline number, or my Facebook page, or my email address to contact me. I will give you another minute to review my answer before it comes off the screen. If you like more time than 1 minute, you can pause the video for longer. But I will give you 1 minute. I will give you about 1 minute to review my answer before it comes off again. I will give you about 1 minute to review my answer, to review the question and review the answer, and to make sure that you understand both the question and the answer. So I will give you about 1 minute to review the question and the answer, and to make sure that you understand both the question and the answer. And prepare for GSAT and PEP from early. Do not wait until it is just about 1 or 2 or 3 months away from the exam. Do not wait until your child does the mock exam, the mock test, in December or in January or February to decide to get extra help or to get these tests to practice on and to listen to these videos. Do it from way ahead of the time. Do not wait until after Christmas to do these tests. If you are going to prepare for Christmas 3 months you're going to take 3 months to prepare for Christmas, you should take much longer than that to prepare for a test, okay? So, do not wait until it is too late to start preparing. Start preparing from now. Start preparing from before grade 4. I cannot stress that enough. Start preparing from before grade 4. Start preparing from now. Do not wait until it is late. Not that it is impossible to study for a test for 2 or 3 months. Take 2 or 3 months to prepare for a test and pass. But it depends on the person. Okay, it depends on how much the person knows already. Some students are way behind at 1 or 2 months before the test. So it's not a good idea to take chances. So start preparing from now. Start preparing from early. Start preparing from before grade 4. I know that you won't wait until the last minute to start preparing for GSAT or PEP, right? Yes, you won't wait until the last minute. You won't do that. You might, a student might wait, or a parent might wait until a student does the mock exam in December, January or February, and then he or she might fail 1 subject, 2 or 3 subjects, or all 4 or 5 subjects. They might get 60 or 70%, and just a little work might be needed to improve on that subject, or more than 1 subject in that at that grade. Or the student might get 20 or 30% and have guessed everything, and will need a lot of work to be done. So you're not going to do that. You're not going to be caught unprepared. You're not going to wait until the last minute. You're going to prepare from early. Start preparing from before grade 4. Start preparing from now. Subscribe to my channel to get updates of new videos that are available on YouTube as soon as they become available. So go ahead and click that subscribe button. It's free. Like and subscribe, and also you're invited to share my videos. So when you subscribe, when I upload a video, for instance, if the video you are watching is Social Studies Part 2, when I upload Social Studies Part 3, you will get a notification on your computer right away that I have uploaded Social Studies Part 3, and you can go ahead and see the video. So go ahead, click that subscribe button right now. Thank you for watching. You should watch these GSAT videos over and over again until you know them from memory. Repetition is important. You can always message me if you have any questions or need further help. using my email address, my Facebook page, or the telephone numbers that are shown on the screen. So bye bye for now. Bye bye.